take the motor, all this comes under rotating machine. But coming to the transformer is the stationary device. There is no rotating part in the transformer. The transformer mainly consists of primary winding, what we call primary winding, and also secondary winding. What about this one? Iron core. The transformer mainly consists of primary winding, secondary winding, electrically separated, but magnetically coupled. Now tell me anyone, what is the basic definition of transformer? Transformer means transmit the power. Transmit the power from one place to another place without changing the frequency. That means the frequency remaining fixed. There is no change in the frequency. What will be changes? Either voltage or current. Transformer transmit the transformer. Transmit the power from one place to another place without changing the frequency. That is the basic definition of transformer. It mainly consists of three parts. What are the three parts? Primary winding,
secondary winding, iron core.
Can anyone tell me what are the classification of transformers? We have three types of transformers.
Step down.
First one.
Step down.
Step up.
Step up. Step down.
Step down.
Step up.
What about third one?
Step up. Step down.
Isolation transformer. మనకి ఉన్న ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ ఈ మూడే ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటి? స్టెప్ అప్.